Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to find a user ID in KuCoin step by step. Finding your KuCoin user ID is simple and important for security, support requests, and API access. First of all, launch open KuCoin app on your Android or iOS device. And if you don't want to do this on mobile device, you can also go visit KuCoin.com on a web browser and log in with your account credentials. After you're signed into your KuCoin account, go ahead and tap on your avatar or your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, you will see your email, and then right underneath it, you'll see your user ID. Tap on the user ID underneath your email to copy it in your device's clipboard. You can then share it whenever needed. Your user ID is a unique numeric identifier for your KuCoin account, different from your email or username. You can use it by copying it and getting it for support requests. You can select and copy your user ID by tapping on it, and you can use it for support requests, API integrations, or account recovery. Make sure to keep it private, never share it publicly. So there you have it. Finding your KuCoin user ID is quick and straightforward. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.